Welcome to the Southern Flavor Kitchen, where everything we cook is full of flavor, baby. So today's video will be a remix on a banana pudding, and we're going to do a eggnog banana pudding. And here are all the ingredients we'll be using. We have ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, banana cream mix, vanilla wafers, bananas, Cool Whip, and eggnog. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. If you're new to the channel or seeing this for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our eggnog banana pudding recipe. Alright, my flavor squad. So we're going to jump into our eggnog banana pudding, and this will be one of the 4 videos we did with eggnog. So I hope y'all enjoyed this eggnog series. So we're gonna start with our instant pudding mix. We have a 5.1 ounce box of banana cream and a 3.4 ounce of banana cream instant pudding mix. We're gonna add it to the bowl. So we have both of our banana cream instant pudding into the bowl. We're gonna go in with 1/8 of a teaspoon of our ground nutmeg and ground cinnamon. And I know someone gonna say, hey, why you putting nutmeg and ground cinnamon and banana pudding that don't go in there? This is not your ordinary banana pudding. This is gonna be an eggnog banana pudding. And if you know, nutmeg and ground cinnamon with eggnog, chef kiss. So we have our instant pudding mix, our ground nutmeg and ground cinnamon. We're gonna go in with 4.5 cups of eggnog. Alright, so we have everything into our instant pudding mix. We're gonna give it a mix. Alright, so we mixed everything together, and let me remind y'all, it will be thick because we're using eggnog and not regular milk, but we're gonna go in with a secret ingredient to amplify the banana flavor. We're gonna go in with 1/8 of a teaspoon of banana extract, and we're gonna mix it in.
Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option?
Alright, so we're gonna move on to the next step, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we back. We have our banana cream pudding mixed together. And now we have 1/8 ounce tub of extra creamy Cool Whip. We're gonna put it into our banana cream pudding, and then we're gonna fold it in. Alright, so we simply gonna fold this in.
First, you short on my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor.
Alright, so we have our Cool Whip fold in. We're gonna move on to the next step. Alright, so we back. We have our bananas and our vanilla wafers. I will share this with y'all. When I use my vanilla wafers, I like to crunch them up, because it gives that extra texture to the banana pudding. I don't put them on whole unless I'm putting them on top of the banana pudding. Other than that, I like to crunch up my cookies, and when I tell y'all, it pairs so well, like it's A1. Trust the process. So we're gonna take some of our vanilla wafers. We're gonna add them to a Ziploc bag, and we're gonna crunch them up. Then we'll cut some of our bananas. I'm not gonna show y'all too much of this process because I don't want to bore y'all to death.
Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it on my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure on my time. Been off yours, boss. To the floor.
Alright, so I'm gonna finish doing this and I'll be back.
It's my time.
Alright, so we have our vanilla wafers crunched up. Now we're gonna cut up our bananas, and at this point you can cut your bananas to the thickness that you like. Alright, so we're gonna cut up our bananas. We're gonna discard this part. Don't want that. Alright, so I'm gonna cut up 2 more bananas. I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be back. Alright, my flavor squad. So we're gonna put our eggnog banana pudding together. We're gonna start off with the pudding mix. So we're gonna go on top of that with some bananas. Now we're gonna go on top of our bananas with some cookies. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead with layer number 2 of our pudding mix. We're gonna repeat the same steps. Now we're gonna add more cookies. Alright, so I'm not gonna bore y'all to death. I'm gonna finish layering eggnog banana pudding and I'll be back. Alright, my flavor squad. So we have our eggnog banana pudding together in the pan. It made 4 layers. We're gonna top it with some cookies, but we're not gonna use the vanilla wafers. Another secret ingredient for our banana pudding. We're gonna top our chestnut butter cookies on top of our eggnog banana pudding.
Oh, yes, yes.
Look at that, that look good. So we got our chestnut butter cookies on top of our eggnog banana pudding. I'm gonna give y'all a close up. Then we're gonna try it. But before we try it, we put it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, my flavor squad, so I'm gonna give y'all a famous close up of our eggnog banana pudding. Y'all enjoy.
Surfing, I show you how to get this pay. Ooh, I we stacking. Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. up, down, all gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas, all gas. No way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up.
Alright, my flavor squad. So we're gonna do the taste test on this eggnog banana pudding. Queen's gonna let y'all know her honest opinion. You ready?
I guess those lips are not for just breaking.
They ain't been on there long.
Really good. I don't know if I'm eating something more than once. It's good. It's creamy. Banana pudding consistency. I like mine to be a little thick. But the eggnog just kind of pushes it over. It adds to it.
I added cinnamon and nutmeg and banana extract into the pudding mix. I don't know if you can taste it, but I did add those two into it. Well, those three.
You can tell it's something, but you couldn't tell it was that. If you wouldn't have told me, I wouldn't have known. It tastes Christmassy, if that's a thing.
And you like the Christmas cookies on top? Alright, y'all, so she liked it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also hype this video up. Y'all already know the saying. Pops and Queen, we out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.